Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on your Armitron men's digital watch. So as you can see here, I am in my home screen, so where I have the T1 displayed. In case you are not in your home screen, we are going to toggle using the mode button. So I'm going to have the alarm, the stopwatch, T2, and then I'm going to cycle back and I'm going to arrive at my home screen. Here, in order to arrive at the settings, I'm going to press and hold the reset button. You are going to hear a small beep, and the first thing that we can reset are going to be the seconds. You can only use the start stop button in order to reset them to 0. Then I'm going to press the mode button in order to toggle between the different settings, and I'm going to arrive at setting the hours. I can only go forward, so I'm going to press either one by one, or I'm going to press and hold in order to speed scroll. And as you can see, it is going to move a lot faster. So let's make it 13. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I'm going to arrive at the minutes. The same thing is going to apply, so I'm going to press and hold in order to speed scroll, or press one by one in order to have these increments of only 1. So let's make it 0.5. And in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the reset button in order to save the functions. And in case you want to also set the date, you can press the mode button and arrive at setting the year, the month, and the day of the month. And then if you press it once again, it is going to cycle back from the beginning. So as I mentioned, in order to save the settings, I'm going to press the reset button. And as you can see, now I have the new time set. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also if you'd like to check out the full guide with all the functions and features, so how to also use the stopwatch, the alarm, make sure to check out the link in the description box below, because I'm going to show you how to use all the functions. And also, if you'd like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.